Welcome to the in front of you Motorola Defy, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's start. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, the fingerprint scanner is also fast here. I just simply touch it to unlock. I'm not just pressing it, so you can just by a really simple touch. Oh, I'm not to unlock the device. Just touch, just hold for, touch for a while, not just we just don't need here any just process to the fingerprint scanner. So we can see that the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. This is the really good result for the fingerprint unlock method. I just suggest you to try it, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code, so be careful with it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.